Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be giving you a office tour, home office tour. I'm also going to be showing you my makeup collection and how I organize things, or unorganized, but basically giving you a tour of this room that I put together piece by piece, and I collaborated with Decenio to show you how I created this epic wall. But first off, I want you to subscribe and comment down below if you're new and join the gang. So first off, with this back piece here, this will be the backdrop to all my videos moving forward. I just finished the last couple pieces and put up these frames. I got these posters and frames from Decenio. Now I have a discount code down in the description box where you can get 25% off. All the details will be listed down here. But I kind of put pieces together that either represent me or just things that I am obsessed with. My favorite animal, an elephant. And how cute is this baby elephant? It has a little flower crown. Oh, I can't take it. And then I have this eucalyptus picture. It's basically a picture of eucalyptus with a fake eucalyptus kind of coming out of the frame as well. Kind of give it a three-dimensional feel. How many times does Manel say kind of? Anyways, this middle picture is probably my favorite because it's just so beautiful. It's classy, it's feminine. It's kind of what I aspire to be when I'm not being ratchet. It's just curvy and beautiful and feminine. I just love it. And then we have this inspirational quote. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. I love that. And I feel like it's simple, but it's something that we need to remind ourselves every single day. Last but not least, I solely like this picture for the color of the plants and the gold, but the caption's kind of corny, but I like it. It kind of goes with the set of picture frames we have hanging here. But anyways, moving on, here is my vanity table. I love this vanity table so freaking much. I don't use it as much as I should, but what I love about this is basically this mirror is from Illuminated Mirrors. And they have like a selection of different Hollywood mirrors. This is what this is called. And I put it on top of a table that I got off of a secondhand shop. But it's so pretty. You can adjust the light as bright or as low dim as you want. It's just a perfect vanity mirror. I've never seen anything as nice as this one. And yeah, it goes perfect with my white table. This is from a it's from a secondhand shop. I added these little knobs. They're actually for babies. It's baby elephants, but since I like elephants, why not? I also have a couple storage boxes under here that are really pretty. I got from HomeSense, and I kind of fill it with a whole bunch of randomness. The bottom one's filled with like a whole bunch of gym stuff when I'm feeling in the mood. This is such a lovely cactus that I got from HomeSense. I usually fill it up with dirty beauty blenders that I'm meant to wash, but I guess there's a few other things in there. I don't know how they got in there. Here's another candle. I always keep a candle here, so when I am editing videos or whatnot, it's ready. And I use the lid to kind of cover the candle when I'm done. That way I don't have that burning smell. And then I have a stack of business cards in case anybody is visiting or if I'm going to an event. This is kind of like my pen and like rubbish cup, I guess. I have my favorite pens in here, and I love these pens. They're from Oliver Bonus. They're kind of pricey, but they're so cute and they're skinny. I like skinny pens. I don't know what it is. I have some Louboutin varnishes that I barely use. They kind of just look good, so I leave them there. And then I have a little notebook. Moving on to the dresser that's right next to it, I usually keep my daily perfumes here. Most of them are Jo Malone. I have some dried lavender, and I use these dried lavenders for flat lays. Now my current favorite scent is the honeysuckle and Davina scent. I think that's how you say it. It just came out. I love it so freaking much. I've never smelt a scent more me. And then this is my Casio watch I wear on a daily basis. Next to that, I have another dresser type of storage thing, and this is my pineapple teapot. This is actually a teapot that I make tea in, but when I'm not using it, I like to store more eucalyptus, and then I have this little jewelry box next to it filled with rings. But I'm really excited to show you this. This is my earring collection. I'm really proud of this earring collection because it's over the span of years. Now, some of these are from Zara. This one's from Zara. The long dangly ones are also from Zara. Most of them are from ASOS. This one's from like 2 years ago. Absolutely love it. And these are like the newest ones. This one and the one right above it are the newest ones. This one's from Rock and Rose. And I just love it. They're so pretty and classy, and they're just, it's like a reminder. So when I'm about to leave, I like how they're on display. I could just pick one that matches my outfit. I got this from Muji, and I will link that down in the description box as well. Now these are just my extra brushes that I probably don't use on a daily basis. It's just when I'm looking for a specific brush, that's the one I would go to. But this one actually, how cute is this little brush holder? I got it from HomeSense. It's so cute, it has little lashes. Ooh. Those are usually where I put my main brushes. Now this is a beautiful clock that I bought. It is too heavy to fit on the wall. It fell actually from the wall to the ground, and I'm surprised it didn't break. So I kind of just leave it here leaning against the wall. Next, I have this hanging mirror that I bought off of HomeSense. I have some books, and here's a picture of me in Amir. This is our wedding day. I have a few other things kind of on the windowsill. But this is what I really love. This is probably one of my favorite PR packages I've ever gotten. It's a little musical jewelry box, and you spin the key, and it's just so pretty. And I love how it's not too pretty. I love how it's a little dark. Do you know what I mean? I keep my necklaces in the bottom one, and then on the top one, it came with lipsticks, and I never really took them out. I just left the lipsticks in there because I like how they're all like perfectly aligned. But it is the cutest thing. It kind of sounds scary when it's playing like a horror movie, but it's just so cute. Now I'm going to show you my makeup collection. Now the first drawer is filled with liquid lipsticks of all kinds, lip liners. Do you guys love my makeshift divider? I need to find some way to organize them, but so far all of that is lips. The second one is lashes. Now I love these lashes. They're from Squito, and I love how there's little stars to show you the thickness of the lash. So I just love that so much. I think that's so clever. Next drawer is my concealers and foundations. Now my current favorite is this Too Faced one, Born This Way concealer. Absolutely love it. I also love this Bobbi Brown foundation and the classic NARS Sheer Glow. It's been my favorite for the past like 5 years. Next, I have the eyeliner and eyebrow drawer. Now this is actually something exciting to show you. It's new, it's from Lime Crime, and it's an eyebrow pen, and it's very faint, and it actually gives you like hair-like strokes. And then they also launched like a spoolie gel to set the brow and to kind of give it a bushy look. And I love it because it's not too liquidy, it's not too heavy, it's perfect. The next drawer has setting sprays. Now, I love the setting spray so much by Urban Decay because they actually put my name on it. It just means so much to me. A new one that just launched that I absolutely love is this Laura Geller one. And the reason why I love it, it's very refreshing and like soothing. But another thing is how it mists. It mists perfectly. Like the best misting I've ever seen in my life. Super impressed by it. Now, the next drawer is eyeshadows. This is one that I've used quite a bit. It's the Too Faced Natural palette. I did a couple makeup looks on it, and then we have like the single eyeshadows on the side. Here's another Too Faced palette. This is probably their newest one. Super pretty. Look at these colors. I mean, wow. And then another Urban Decay one that just launched as well. So that's pretty much it for eyeshadows. The next one's filled with blushes and setting powders. This one's a really nice one by Morphe. And then next to it is another dresser type of thing that I got from IKEA. But the bottom two are filled with PR things that I'm yet to show you guys. So this is one from Dior, and it's a little boombox stereo system. I love it. And this is another favorite of mine that just came out this week. It actually plays a video, and it's by Estee Lauder, and it's their new scent, and I just love that. I think it's so sweet. On the next drawer up, I have also new releases that haven't come out yet, or probably have when I upload this video. This is the new Too Faced Peach Kiss matte lipsticks. I'm going to do a video swatching all the new colors, but I love the pigmentation. I love how it is. I love how it smells. I love how it's matte but still moisturizing. And yeah, we just got some more stuff in there. Next drawer up, we have masks and things that I would use if I come out of the shower. So we have the Glam Glow Moisture Mask, and then we obviously have some cocoa butter. Obviously, staple, especially for dry skin. The next drawer up from that is all skincare related. Now, a couple favorites of mine is the Sunday Riley Good Jean. It's like a salicylic acid treatment chemical exfoliator. I love, love, love it. And then I got some essence waters that I would use right after I wash my face. This is the Caudalie one of my favorites. And then just to go with the Caudalie one, I have the Vino Perfect Serum. If you guys watch my skincare routine, you know the drill, you know what my favorites are, and I probably do another monthly favorites of everything, but yeah. Moving one drawer up, we have Sunnies. Now they're completely disorganized, so we're just gonna swoop past that real quick. We got a few perfumes as well, but moving along, I want to show you my bookshelf. I want to show you this really cool book I picked up in south of France. It's a book that teaches you different ways to style a scarf, and I think it's the most cutest thing, literally down to like belting a scarf, to tying it around your neck, to tying it as a turban. I just think it's the cutest thing and the best souvenir to bring back with me. And then last but not least, I have this clothing rail that I picked up at Argos. It's not too bulky, it's just perfect. And I have a couple baskets here. This is like my electronic basket where I keep all my wires and my lenses and everything I need to film. And the bottom one is pending. I'm going to put some makeup in there that I'm going to be giving away, but pretty much, and these are 2 blazers that I've been rinsing this month, but pretty much that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I kind of put these pieces together, and I'm really excited to show you what this looks like because it took me a while. This is my chair and my rug that I got from HomeSense and Argos, but if you're interested in details of all the things that I've mentioned, or most of the things I mentioned, check out the link down in the description box, also for the discount code on the picture posters. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye!